Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you had an amazing weekend. In this video, we are going to be talking about Healthier Choices Management Corp, ticker symbol HCMC. So there's huge news with the lawsuit with HCMC versus Philip Morris. Big update, and we're going to cover that in this video. But first, let's take a quick look at the charts. So Healthier Choices Management Corp, the stock fell about 8.33% on Thursday, which was the last day of the trading week due to the long weekend, going from 0.0012 to 0.0011. Now during the day, the stock fluctuated from a low of 0.0010 to a high of 0.0012. Volume was just over 3.3 billion shares, market cap of $340 million. Hey y'all, if you like the content I provide, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on post notifications. Thank you. So just to recap you all with the lawsuit that HCMC has filed against Philip Morris. So back in November 2020, HCMC filed this lawsuit against Philip Morris regarding a patent infringement on the IQOS device. Then on February 25th, Philip Morris filed a motion to dismiss. So basically asking the court to throw this lawsuit out. Then HCMC responded to this motion to dismiss on March 9th. And at this point, we're waiting for Philip Morris to respond to HCMC's reply by April 16th. And now the latest update in the lawsuit. On April 1st, 2021, HCMC and Philip Morris filed a joint motion to stay pending resolution of defendant's motion to dismiss by Healthier Choices Management Corp. So what exactly does this mean? So basically both parties, so HCMC and Philip Morris, filed this joint motion together. And what they're doing is they're asking the judge for a stay, so a stop or a pause on further proceedings until the judge can rule on the motion to dismiss that was filed by Philip Morris back on February 25th. So both parties want the judge to rule on this motion to dismiss first before going any further into the case, into the next stages of the legal process. So the question is, why is HCMC and Philip Morris asking for this stay, for this pause in the case? One possibility is that since they filed this motion together, this joint motion, HCMC and Philip Morris could be discussing a settlement. Now, we understand that Philip Morris would love to have this lawsuit thrown out, which makes sense as they filed the motion to dismiss this lawsuit back on February 25th. Another reason is that they could be just postponing the next step in the lawsuit, which is the discovery process. The discovery process can be and usually is a very expensive part of the lawsuit, the most expensive part. In the discovery process, all parties must fully disclose all relevant evidence. So any documents, reports, or testimonials must be provided to the other party. So HCMC will need to provide Philip Morris with all their evidence, so all their documentation, their reports, etc., and vice versa. And Philip Morris would have to provide this to HCMC for examination. And this is where it gets very, very expensive, because you're involving the lawyers to do all this work for you. And if you're familiar with legal costs, you understand that this will be very expensive. So obviously both parties don't want to waste money on this lawsuit. HCMC may not even have the money for a full-blown trial to let it go on for months or years, let alone maybe they just don't want to waste the money as they could use it by investing it back into the company. So what can we expect to happen next? Well, first, we still need Philip Morris to respond to HCMC's reply on that initial motion to dismiss, which they have until April 16th. So I'm going to just reiterate it once again. Philip Morris filed that motion to dismiss, HCMC had replied, and now Philip Morris still needs to respond to HCMC's reply, and they have until April 16th. So I don't think there is going to be much action in the lawsuit or in the stock price until then. We may see a little run up in share price as we get closer to the April 16th deadline. However, this is merely speculation, and I don't think we're going to see any major price movement for a while, at least until there's a settlement or some major resolution in the lawsuit. In my opinion, HCMC is a great company. I believe there's no denying that, but they're still growing and expanding. Now, I believe if HCMC wins this lawsuit, or if they're awarded a settlement with, a large sum of money, HCMC could use this money to improve their stock position and expand their businesses in new and interesting ways. However, I've said this many times before, this is a very risky play, and in my eyes, this is a long-term hold. This is not a get-rich-quick overnight penny stock. So if you are only invested or interested in HCMC due to the lawsuit, this could end up taking years before there's any resolution. So don't get any crazy idea that HCMC is going to go to $1 in the next couple weeks or by April 16th. So maybe this stock isn't the right investment for you. However, it's your money and I'm not a financial advisor, so just please do your own due diligence on this. Now, any future updates that come out for HCMC, whether it's for the company or this lawsuit, I will be providing you all with them, so please subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Alright guys, I just wanted to provide you with a very quick update with the recent information and the HCMC versus Philip Morris lawsuit. I hope you all got value out of this video and it's going to help you in your investment journey, but please always do your due diligence. As I've said before, I'm not a financial advisor and you need to be accountable for your own money and your own future. As always, ensure you understand what the company is, what they do, and understand why you are investing in this company. If this is a YOLO play or if you're just gambling, that's fine, as long as you're aware of that. So what do you guys think? Do you think Philip Morris stands a chance, or do you think that HCMC will win this lawsuit no matter what, hands down? Does this new joint motion have you thinking that a settlement is coming? Please let me know in the comments down below. As well, if there's any stocks you'd like me to cover and provide some due diligence on, please let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram. As always guys, happy trading and see you in the next video.